Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin addressing the CPU regulator issue on your HP TG01-1170ns, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, compressed air canister, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by powering down your computer and disconnecting all cables, including the power cord. Then, remove the side panel of the case by unscrewing the screws located at the back. This might require a Phillips screwdriver. Carefully slide the panel off to expose the internal components. Once inside, locate the CPU cooler. It's typically secured with either clips or screws. If screws are used, remove them gently, making sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the cooler is free, you can see the CPU and the regulator nearby. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust buildup. Use the compressed air canister to blow away debris from the CPU and surrounding components. This step is crucial as dust can cause overheating, which leads to performance issues. Now, inspect the CPU regulator for any visible damage. Look for burnt components or bulging capacitors, which are telltale signs of failure. If you notice any abnormalities, it may be time to replace the regulator. If you're unsure about the diagnosis or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This service can save you time and ensure that the issue is correctly identified. If everything looks in order, reapply thermal paste to the CPU before reinstalling the cooler. This will ensure proper heat dissipation. Spread a small amount of thermal paste evenly across the CPU surface. Then, reattach the cooler, securing it with the screws or clips as necessary. Once the cooler is back in place, it's time to reassemble your computer. Slide the side panel back on and secure it with the screws. Reconnect all cables and power on your device. If the problem persists, it could indicate a deeper issue within the motherboard or power supply. At this point, consider our service for pickup and delivery at your home. This means you won't have to make any calls or travel, saving you hassle while your device is in professional hands. Lastly, if repairs are needed, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. This transparency ensures that you're informed every step of the way. In summary, always ensure your computer is clean and components are functioning properly. If you encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to seek professional help to avoid further complications. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.